You wanna... Sophia, there's a lot of pancit here. I can get some of your rice.
What's this?
It's almost like our rice, and this is jackfruit. Yeah.
This is jackfruit?
Yeah, there's jackfruit. They both have what do you call it?
Not bad.
Coconut milk.
It's actually good.